Where am I? That was a bad dream.
Wake up, Caillou.
This is really good cereal.
MK class, so we will start math right now. Get your math books out and turn to page 394.
Pablo, I will throw the book at Mr. Hernandez, and you go out of the classroom and pull the fire alarm. Got it?
Got it. What? Kids, get out in single file, now.
Caillou, I am telling the teacher of what you did.
Caillou, you're under arrest. Caillou, how dare you decide to pull the fire alarm and knock over Mr. Hernandez's desk? You're grounded for 110-39393929203 centuries.
Wah 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 wah.